My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey, no be small drama no be small matter dey sup as we speak right now between Olakunle Churchill, Tonto Dike ex-husband, and im wife Rosie Mora. According to the information wey dey reach us right now, that the major reason why Olakunle Churchill forgive a ex-wife Tonto Dike, apart from the fact say they were able to settle them, and Tonto Dike God don call her, she don let go, say wetin wan be e don already be, say no wahala, anyhow wey you wan be, make dem settle their differences enter house. Say apart from that one, say a lot has been going on ever since, getting to 2 years now, between Rosie Mora and Olakunle Churchill. Sotey e reach to the extent where Churchill even have to open up to im personal person, a very close friend, wey come disclose this matter to another person, wey come finally burst am for the whole internet. Hey, my people, make una draw una chair come make una come hear matter wey dey ground Before I go cap una wetin dey sup, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I heart una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in his infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pockets, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name beg una make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small matter no be small drama no be small wonder wey no fit ever end for this Obasanjo cyberspace. Ever since Olakunle Churchill came out publicly to accept to the fact say him and Tonto Dike they don settle their differences, sotey e even come dey praise Tonto Dike, calling her good names, mother of his son, that she has been an amazing person, she has been doing well, she is trying, that God will bless her for absolutely everything, and that they will do this journey together in peace and harmony. Like, ever since he uttered this statement, Rosie never rests. In a day now, Rosie no dey sleep na for her Instagram handle na she dey post back to back to gain relevance. Sotey online in-laws don carry name dash am say im be bitter leaf Cynthia, e be bitter leaf Rosie. He is bittered, she is angry, she wan kolo mentus make people wey know her make dem call her make dem come check up on her make she dey check her BP and like anytime wey she just post now, na wetin online in-laws dey for her comment section dey tell her be that, say madam, you no go rest in the name of the Lord. Na Tonto Dike na im settle with im ex-husband because of im son, but na you no come get peace, God abeg So according to the information right now coming from the information center where e don circulate sef the whole media space, I know say una fit don even hear the story somewhere. So they say this guy come talk say before now, e don dey go 2 years now wey the relationship between Rosie and church wey get heal, say e don dey go 2 years now wey they don dey do gbas helter skelter, running up and down. I no do. Before you know, they will come out come debunk that during that time wey Gistlover dey come dey talk, wey other blogs, Gistlover, Cutie Juice and other blogs like that come be exposed say their marriage as we speak right now e get comma, wey be say e no tey na im church wey get heal come out come post where dem carry im children go Destiny land, this one that one, they say na lie, they come out come debunk say people wan bring their marriage down by force, but God pass them. The more they try to bring them down, the more God will continue to expose them. It will never work and it can never work. They say no be lie, na im Gistlover lie during that time. And no be lie, Cutie Juice lie. Because for the fact say they come debunk. Remember the last one wey Gistlover post, e say, as im talk am right now, if e lie, make Churchill come debunk am. Churchill come out, e say they dey try to bring them down, they wan scatter the marriage by force, e no go ever work, they will continue to hide and say things, this one, that one. Whereas, according to this insider, e say na e don tey wey the matter don cast, wey the things and thing wey Rosie allegedly, that is if she use something with that o, say e don tey wey the guy eye clear. E don tey wey she dey use some kind things and thing take hold the guy. Whether na God na im set the guy free by using Tonto Dike to clean im eyes finally. But even before Tonto Dike reconciled with him, the thing has been going south. Anytime wey the thing go south, before you know, they go settle again. Churchill go say, if no be she, in life go dey on a pause. This one, that one, that one, this one. Last, according to Churchill, wey come tell that im friend, allegedly, according to the story, he tell that im friend say, even him, he's tired. That he's tired and that his heart is telling him that he is not in the right place. Because according to the information, they say Churchill Papa, in real father, na man of God na he be. Even though no be man of God 100%, like na believer na he be. They worship God on a regular. So whether na the family member or na prayer of the father, na God can use and set church wey get heels free. Set am free to the extent wey im come dey talk and dey confirm am. E say no, I don't belong here. This is not supposed to be. E come dey show Rosie some kind small attitude. She dey feel like the last time, the one wey Gistlover come post, they say na Rosie dey even dey beg the man. Say, you wan go leave am? If you go leave me now, don't you think people will laugh at us? They have been wanting this marriage to scatter. So you want it to scatter? You want people to laugh at us? What are your plans? What do you think? Don't do this, please. Say so she dey beg, dey cry. Say because of online in-laws, make e no break up this marriage. Say because if he break up this marriage, they go laugh then no be small. So like this, now all those things na make Churchill sit down for that marriage, e no gree comot. Even with wetin im eye dey see, the shege promise wey e dey see, he cannot come out. Couple with say they use one or two kaya mata hold am, according to the information or allegedly. Couple with say they use one or two take hold am, e no fit still leave the marriage because of wetin people go talk. Because they go say, Tonto Dike was right. Tonto Dike was right. And as for Rosie, you been think say you go snatch perfect man, abi? You been think say if you go there, it's going to be Rosie, abi? You no know say broom wey they take pursue first wife, they still keep am for one corner, they wait for second wife. You no get as you wan be. If you do anyhow, you go see anyhow. You no know. Now here where dem dey talk am o. Na the guy say, no be today na im Churchill don tire for the marriage. So immediately wey God too come touch the heart of Tonto Dike, wey her pastor and other prominent people come talk to her. They no even bother to talk to her. Na she talk say God don finally touch her heart and she's ready to forgive. Before dem go contact Churchill, make him come, make dem settle their differences. Instantly, e no even blink eye twice. Na he accept say make dem settle. Now, as una know say Tonto Dike come on live with Damaka Caucus last time, where she practically said it that she did everything that she did because of her son. She's not after Churchill to marry or for anything. They say Churchill now, na in they na co-parent, they say make they come co-parent. But Churchill wan go they build house for there. He no wan leave them we call 247 now na him dey call them. That he has really missed that family, which automatically means that Tonto Dike was never a bad person. Na just her anger issue, that vex wey she talk say she dey vex wey God don deliver her from so. Say she was never a bad person. Normally for dis life, in as much as say you no be bad person, your hand dey clean, say you just get small touch of madness for head, it is understandable. You get? It is very 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 understandable. But na if you come get madness, you no come dey reason well, na dat one na im be the koko. Like dis, dey say Churchill say e don tire oo, say thank God his family are now complete. Anybody that want to go can now go, and thank God his conscience are now free. He's not having anybody in mind again. Before, you know say if he sleep, he go dey think about im first son. Rosie wey go dey change her pikin name to the first and only king, King Churchill. How e wan take be first and only? Wey be say King Andrel dey there and na im be first son. Shebi you wan come collect im glory give another person? God abeg o. My people, like wonders e no fit ever end o. Nothing wey eye no go see, nothing wey ear no go hear. Now the guy don come reveal am say no be today na im dis their drama e start. E don tey. Na now, na wetin dey keep am, na wetin people will say. What will people say? What will people say? And immediately wey Tonto Dike come apologize, come say she's ready to let go, na immediately na im Churchill confirm am say God really dey talk to am, because God too don reveal to am say it is about time for his wonders to come to manifestation, and God actually did it, coupled with the prayers coming from his family and all. You know say for dis life, if you collect person own, no matter how you pamper am, you cover am, you hide am, you no wan say you no want anybody even come close to am, law of karma, they will definitely collect am for your hand. Normally, person wey even carry another man, another woman husband, what are you even expecting? Wey the woman still dey alive, healthy and sound, and pikin join them, a day will definitely come where they will settle. Even if Tonto sef say she no dey after Churchill, she no wan get anything to do with am, na because of her son make dem co-parent in peace, they no go fit still dey peaceful, because the more wey im dey come make dem co-parent, make im come check up on im pikin, anything can happen. But even though we know say e no fit happen again, but nothing wey dey difficult wey no go fit happen. Like dis so, omo, no be small thing o. Rosie now na im don dey beg say abeg make e no allow online in-laws laugh am, because the other day, una remember, dey just day before yesterday, she post up to 6 or 7 posts. All of a sudden she don turn to con ten t creator. She don post 6 or 7. Today she even do the one wey people talk say she don kolo mentos finish o. Come dey insult. Only God know who she dey insult. I repeat am, your father. She no get peace. If peace of mind was a person, na in that time wey Tonto Dike dey come out, come dey cry, dey shout, dey talk on top of her voice. People dey talk say, madam, it's okay, na enter house, na no be just husband, this one, that one. Omo, they never even start with Rosie. E wan kolo mentos o. They never even start o. E wan kolo mentos enter bush. That time now, I see when online in-laws, they say, Madam Tonto, it's okay now. This insult is too much. This cry on top of man. Is it not too much? Is it not too much? Now Rosie, they hear am o. Oh, she don turn spiritual wife all of a sudden. Wow, my people. Now she dey beg. What will people say? No allow what will people say to keep you for marriage wey no work o. Because na that same people go laugh you if e no work and you kpai put. E no work be say e no work. Normally, e no fit work 100%. Because anything wey be say is not being signed by God, e dey always dey difficult. Always dey difficult at the end of the day. E fit dey rosy from the very beginning, but towards the end, you no go like wetin go sup. Omo, na the matter be this o, my people. As this guy come drop this thing, I say, omo, our expectation, e no lie. Wetin we think for our mind, na so e be. So all those while wey Insta blog dem gossip mill dem who and who dey come dey post am, dey share, dey post, dey share. So during dat time now, katakata dey, dey just dey hide am. Breeze don finally blow, fowl yansh open. We don finally see wetin we dey find. Hiding under the umbrella of everything is fine, whereas deep down, a lot is going on. It is well o. My people, make una come chook mouth o. What are your take? What do you think? Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share, like, for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.